TikTok Lite no PC version exists, but this method runs it on your computer anyway. So the no PC version reality check. Why is there no Lite for PC? TikTok Lite is an Android-only app built for low storage, low data device. A PC version was never the goal. It's the mobile's first solution. So what you can do instead, you can still access TikTok on a computer via webs, browser, or official window tools like the Microsoft Store. No Lite version required, and TikTok workarounds round run Android on your PC, the closest path to Lite on a computer. So install an emulator. You can use BlueStacks or Mumu, and then get the TikTok Lite and then log in and use. The safer desktop first play browser access. Open TikTok in any browser. No installation needed. Microsoft Store on Windows. Install the official TikTok on desktop app from the Microsoft Store for native feel. TikTok Studio creator can upload, manage, post, and schedule content via TikTok Studio in browser. Conclusion: choose the right PC TikTok for your need. Need the light experience? Use Android emulator. Just watching or uploading browser TikTok Studio is simpler and safer. No emulator complexity or risk. Remember, Lite is a performance choice, not a privacy advantage. Check regional availability before relying on features. Always download from the official source. Avoid third-party APKs files when emulating. There you guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you have question, concerns, type it out. Question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.